Welcome back to another video. Today I've got new parts. Let's have a look at what goodies I got. Thank you for your purchase of genuine HDT product. Well, isn't that nice? Alright, now this is an unboxing without the boxes. This stuff did come in boxes, but they were so big that I was stupid to bring them home if I did that. So I got this delivered to my work, so I threw the boxes out at work with our big recycling facilities, so I didn't have to do that at home. But we will open the bubble wrap from here. These are genuine HDT products. They're not NOS, but they're reproduction, which is as good for me. So let's have a look at what we've got. So we'll start with this little bit on the side first. HDT. Right, so we'll cut some tape. There's actually a lot of tape in here. Come on. Now what are these, you ask? Well, these are what you call door spats. Now these go on the back door to go with your side skirts. So there's one left, one right. That's got a little bit of funkiness in it, but we have to prep it for paint anyway. So that is those. And we'll just get rid of this one and we'll move on to this one. Now can you guess what that one is? No? Well, this one should be a grill. Now I do have a grill, but it's not in the best condition, so I thought of getting this other stuff, why not just get one of these too? So that's what I did. Now it does seem to be well packaged. So let's have a look at this one. Oh, look at that. That one, that looks like it's pretty much ready to go. It's got guide coat and everything on it. And then there we go there. HDT product, VK Group 3, because that's what we're going with, is a Group 3 replica. We've got our little HDT logo fiberglassed in there. Oh, look at that. You even get the HDT in the top too. That's pretty fancy. So that's our grill. Now let's get some of the bigger stuff and have a look what that is. All right, next one up is this big one. It's probably the longest of them all. You can probably guess what this is. This is the side skirts, which go from front wheel to back wheel. And this box was actually huge and almost didn't fit in the car, so that was another reason why I had to unbox at work so I could fit everything in to bring home. Now why did I get it delivered to my work, you may ask? Well, A, that's where I am all the time, and I'm getting these people who taking these deliveries from the front door, and this is one thing I did not want taken from my front door. So I thought it best to have it delivered to home, so I could know what was happening with it the whole time. Now there is trickiness to this one. Now where is the other end so that we can take it off? Lots of tape, which is good for protection during delivery because you know, there was a couple of dents and holes in the box, but it's very well packaged. So much so that it doesn't want to actually come out. It seems as though we get one in and one out. So we'll take this one out. Wow, that is quite large. I wasn't expecting that kind of largeness. So again, HDT product with the HDT logo fiberglass in, and I'm assuming there'll be a HDT logo on there somewhere. There you go, underneath, look at that. It's pretty fancy. So that, I'm guessing there's a front and rear. That's a right hand side, as it says by there, so that's driver's side. So that'll be the rear, and this will be the front. So that looks pretty damn good to me. Let's get the other one out and make sure there's no damage or anything on it before we get some other things. HDT, yes, side skirt left, that's what we want. There's a bit of damage on this one actually. This one is going to need a bit of repair. Got a crack in the fiberglass underneath, which I'm not too happy about, but we'll try and fix that. It's only a small crack, it's not a piece broken off or anything, so it's not too bad. So they appear to be right. Next one we have is the rear bumper. Now I know I've done a rear bumper before, that one that I got off Facebook Marketplace, but well, that hasn't fared out too well. So we're going to do it again. Now what's happened with that is because really it's a piece of junk to start with, that's just turning into a piece of junk. Now because the shed gets so hot, the paint has cracked, whether it was preparation or not that caused that or not, I don't know. But you know, it was just a knock-off one anyway, so let's put a genuine on, a genuine one on, okay? Ooh, how am I going to get that off? That wrap round like that, does it? Yes, it does. Oh, that looks nice. That looks very nice. Now, if you have a look at the difference with this one is all straight the way it's meant to be. Nice crisp lines, HDT marking in there. Now this does attach to your existing bumpers, and how that works I am yet to find out, but that looks pretty good. Pretty good. On to the last one. This is the front bumper add-on. The last piece of the puzzle. Now, this is all I got because I do have the hood scoop already, and I do have the rear wing, which happens to be a not a group 3. Group 3 spoiler is a little smaller, but I like the, what's it called? I can't remember the name of it. The biggest one of it. Now this one attaches to your existing bumper, as does the rear bar. We'll work that out in videos to come. Now this does have a big under tray bit, which is quite large. It's fins inside, which obviously go to something. But this is like your front air vents, so that is pretty fancy as well. Obviously everything needs to be worked and prepped and painted and attached, but once we've done that, be happy days. Now here's that rear bar that I did about a year ago. You know, from a distance, it still looks good, but have a look at this. The paint here has started flaking off, like that just peels off. For some reason it hasn't taken. And there's just little cracks that are in the material that were there, you know, when I bought the bar, which I repaired, but they've just come back through again. So, and, you know, remember I did, if you've seen the video, I did heat up those sections and re-straighten them. But again, with just the heat that comes in the shed, they've just sagged and look ridiculous. So this will be good as a spare bar, but not to you know, go on the car. If something happens and I need to put a you know, a replacement bar on or something, or while I'm fixing something, this one can go on, so it you know, doesn't get around without a bar. But yeah, not gonna cut the mustard this one, so this will be the spare bar and we'll make the real ones really nice. All right, so that's a wrap on all this stuff that I got. Now, I've been looking for a while for all this kind of stuff, and a lot of places sell knockoff stuff, but it turns out they're a lot more expensive than the proper HDT stuff. So I don't know why people would go and buy this generic stuff and not get the proper stuff from HDT. Now, let's face it, this stuff should fit better than a aftermarket quality one, so why not get the genuine stuff? So that's what I did. Now, that crack that's on the side skirt, luckily enough, is on the underneath, so that will be an easy repair. Just a bit of filler on it, maybe a little bit of fiberglass on top to keep it safe and sound when it's done, but that shouldn't be an issue in the future. Now, as I have mentioned, these do have to be attached to your existing bumpers. I haven't worked out how that happens yet, but you'll see it when I get to it. Other than that, I'd like to say thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unveiling of my new parts. And if you can give me a like and a subscribe, I'll be forever grateful. Thanks for watching. Ciao, ciao.